So tonight we're staying in an easyHotel. I'd like to say we've got a good view out of these windows, but yeah, we haven't got a window view. Paid pretty cheap for this room. I will tell you at the end of it how much we paid. But yeah, this is run by easyJet, and I don't think there's much in here. It's going to be a short video. But yeah, we'll have a little look inside. So we're going to get your key card because it's shut after 10 PM. We've got a coffee machine. Yeah. Quite a smart reception. Right, let's check in. Here we are, we're on the first floor.
Where's 131?
God, it looks like walking through an airplane.
Oh, here it is, 131.
131. Karen's going to let us in. Our wooden key card.
Right, not working. It is now.
We're in. Oh, what's the room going to be like?
I don't know how to put that in.
That's the heating system.
Oh, I don't know what the lights
There's things down there, Karen.
are.
Look, wait, it's here. Come back. It's there. Hurry up.
Where?
Down there.
Oh, what's it doing so low down?
Don't know.
That's rubbish.
Well, we've got a nice big mirror when you walk in.
A nice see-through toilet door, so we can see each other going through the toilet.
See-through toilet door. The lights even on. Got a couple of places to hang your coat up.
I quite like it.
TV on the wall. As you can see, we've got no window. Karen's already picked her side.
Oh, the bed's really
This
nice.
is literally, this is the room. There's an aircon system. We've got heating. I don't know where the radiator is. But yeah.
Two hangers, one hanger each.
We're going to get more comfy, and then I'll show you a proper little walk around this room. Alright, so here we are with the proper room tour. This is at Norfolk Hurst in Milton Keynes. We are literally this tiny room here. The only rooms that you get bigger are the accessibility ones. There's a couple of fire exits, but yeah, we're right literally across the road from MK. I'll show you that, but we haven't got any windows. We've got this nice big mirror, got a heating system, got a plug there for some reason, couple of light switches. See how dark it is in here. Oh, it's getting dark. We've got dim lights like we're on an airplane. Got to find the light switches again. So yeah, we've got a couple of coat hooks. Shoes had to go sideways. We've had to kick Karen on the bed because there ain't no room for her. But we've got a couple of plugs next to the little tiny bedside table. Was built into the wall. And I don't know what that is down there, something under the bed. Nowhere to put your bags. I suppose you could probably put them, there is a little gap under the bed. Tuck them down there, I suppose. Don't turn all the lights off.
Oh, sorry.
I'll do a room tour. Karen's messing around with the lights. We'll turn them all off in a minute and see how dark it gets.
Yeah.
So we've got a towel by the looks of it.
Oh, I got
And
one towel.
the pillow. Not the pillow, the remote control for the TV that's on the wall. So yeah, we've got not a lot in here. I've got a couple of plugs on my side. And we've got 2 pillows. Right, let's see how dark it gets, Karen.
Okay.
Turn your ones off. Nope, off, not on.
I did try and turn them off, you turn it back on again.
Oh, we've got the bathroom light on at the moment. With a clear see-through door for some reason. Oh, look, they proper see-through that one. Right, let's see, is it that one? Oh, yeah, it's definitely... We're filming this at like 3 o'clock. It's absolutely pitch black. Right. Put the lights back on. Right, let's check out this bathroom, which you can already see. With the door. Oh, the door opens outwards. It's a good job they don't put these on the airplane. Right, what we got in here then? Oh, if that would have been see-through, you could have seen straight into the bedroom. So, we've got me. We've got a toilet. A sink. Some hand soap, and a big shower.
Is there a towel in there?
There's a floor towel.
Oh.
There's not even a hand towel. But yeah, we're in the shower. Cool, that's loose. Proper budget easyJet. But yeah, it's big enough. Got some soap in it. I mean, you can do your washing in here, wash me here. Keep it all nice and fresh. But yeah, I can see why that does that now. Because it wouldn't get past toilet otherwise. Got some toilet roll. Yeah, it does the job. There's a plug socket there for your shaver. So yeah, we're gonna have a good night's sleep in this. No breakfast in this place. Karen's getting the TV ready. Just gonna have a nap before we go out for dinner later. But yeah, we're tell you what we think of it in the morning. Is this supposed to be Milton Keynes behind you? I think this is the shopping centre. Don't know what the windmill's for, but I think that's the shopping centre there. Right, we'll catch you in the morning and let you know how we sleep. And that was our night in the Easy Hotel. Karen's going to give you a
hotel, yeah.
Karen's going to give you a review on it.
Yeah, it was okay. I didn't have a fantastic night's sleep. I don't sleep very well anyway, but the bed was okay. Alan's complaint was he wanted 2 pillows, didn't you?
Yeah,
apart from that, it was alright.
Probably could have got one at reception, but they probably would have charged us to be an EasyJet.
It does feel a little bit claustrophobic and small in here now that I've woken up and sort of looked around. I've just been like...
Literally it.
It is quite small and boxed in, but it's okay. It's quite modern. I really like the bathroom. It's got a really decent shower, and the shower's really warm and nice.
How many nights would you stay here for though?
I'll probably only stay here 2 nights max.
Yeah.
And I'll be like, oh, I need to go somewhere a bit bigger now.
Yeah.
A bit more spread out.
Can't even put your makeup on, can you? There's no like
No,
table or
there's
anywhere.
no sort of like, well, there's a big mirror, but like...
Nowhere to sit
there's
down
nowhere
like
to
you
sit
get.
down and put your makeup as you're doing it.
Yeah.
Never mind.
Oh well. So this hotel was really cheap. I signed up to their program. I don't know what the hell they call it. It's like a little thing you can do to get 10% off. And I ended up paying £34 for this room for the night. So
yeah, it's not too bad really. I think that's really cheap.
yeah, I was going to stay in the Holiday Inn originally, but that was like £80 something, and I thought, you know what? Let's do the EasyJet Hotel instead. So here we are, Easy Hotel. Hope you've enjoyed it. We've worked out that ain't at Premium because that seems to be in all the Easy Hotels. That's not Milton Keynes, should I say. So yeah, I don't know where that is, somewhere around the world.
I don't know where it is supposed to be
But yeah, but Easy Hotels do have locations all over Europe, so mainly at airports, but they are popping up in a few cities here and there.
Yeah.
So yeah, like I say, we're in Milton Keynes, nowhere near an airport. And there's one here, so yeah. Well, I enjoyed the night. I wouldn't stay here more than a night. One night's good enough.
1 or 2 nights.
Unless you're here on your own. If you're on your own, this room's plenty big enough.
Yeah.
But as a couple,
it's a little
there's
bit
not
small.
really anywhere to put anything, yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, hope you've enjoyed that, and let us know down below if there's any other budget hotels you want to stay in, or even luxury ones, because she wants a bit of luxury for once.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
So yeah, let us know down below, and hopefully you've enjoyed this at the Easy Hotel. See you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye for now.